Living in today's world, we are immersed in data. Every single one of us creates new data every day. For instance, when we send and receive messages, create documents, or post updates on social media. Taken together, this adds up to an overwhelming amount of data, and making sense of it all can be a great challenge.
I'm sure in this particular course, you will find yourself excited to learn about data, graphs, and charts, as well as learning the fundamentals of how to make really cool visualizations. In this micro-credential, you will learn about many tools out there that help allow you to create beautiful interactive data visualizations that help you to see and understand your data. We will also explore how making the right choices when it comes to data visualization, which can enhance people's understanding of data rather than leave them overwhelmed or confused.